Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I want to share with you the Cititrends website. If you aren't familiar with Cititrends or if it's blocked by our school district, this is what it looks like. The closest one to me is in Newburgh. And I'm sharing this because February is Black History Month, and they do have a scholarship opportunity available for those entrepreneurs. So if you take a look over here, you can submit by February 28th.
Hey there, my name is Brittany Jenkins. I am the proud visionary and founder of Color Me Brown. We are a small business dedicated to affirming Black and Brown children around the world through unique products that look like us. This is currently done through exclusive home decor collections, celebratory greeting cards, and stylish accessories for the little brown child. Last year, we were so very fortunate to be a recipient of the Cititrends Black History Makers Grant. Since then, our products are now sold on Walmart.com. We have been able to supply inventory for the retail stores that we are sold at currently, and we are cooking up something special for 2025 for our Black and Brown children. As a dreamer and a visionary, this grant has certainly given me the push and the restored hope and joy and expectation and encouragement to continue to pursue this dream, to continue to take up space and provide representation for Black and Brown children. Our products are geared towards affirmations. We know that affirmations are not just empty praises, but are an essential ingredient to child development. With this grant, also, we are in partnership with our local Boys and Girls Club to help with a back to school drive this fall, and we are so very excited. So thank you to Cititrends. We know that it is our mission to continue to dream big, and once we've done that, to continue to dream bigger. And so we know that if we are to change what our children become, we must first change what our children see. So thank you, Cititrends, for giving us the push that we need to continue this global mission in affirming Black and Brown children.
So you can apply at cititrends.com/BHM, and it's a $5,000 grant. Let me go directly to that website. So Cititrends stores at Black History Month, BHM. And then here you have 11 days left to enter. You can scroll down. You're just going to put your email, continue, and good luck. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.